So, how fast do Venus flytraps trap clothes? Which is a question submitted from last week's video series. So, I don't have a Venus flytrap myself to test this question, but from watching videos, I estimate it's about half a second. Although reviewing the relevant research indicates that closure time can vary depending on a variety of factors. When I owned a Venus flytrap myself, I can say that I've seen them close quite slowly at times, like in the realm of a whole second and a half, likely due to age. Tune in tomorrow for another carnivorous plant fact. Here's something that anyone who knows anything about carnivorous plants will be familiar with. Some species of plants are carnivorous specifically because they evolved in nutrient-poor environments such as swamps, bogs, and other areas where water is abundant but the soil is poor. They use the other creatures in their environment to supplement what they can't get from the soil, kind of like a human taking a multivitamin. Tune in tomorrow for another carnivorous plant fact. There is a species of sundew called the spoon-leafed sundew, which is native to Southeast Asia and Australia. It grows so easily, germinates so quickly, is so hard to kill, and produces so many seeds that it's considered a weed by carnivorous plant growers, which I just find hilarious. And if anyone wants to give me their weeded D speculata bits, I would like to see how many I can grow at once. Tune in tomorrow for another carnivorous plant fact. Hi, it's Bronzy, and it's time for your weekend carnivorous plant facts. This weekend we're doing carnivorous plants in the media. If you love carnivorous plants, then you will certainly be familiar with the 1980s classic Little Shop of Horrors, where the unassuming main character Seymour is coerced by a charismatic Venus flytrap-like plant nicknamed Audrey 2. Though the 1980s movie is more than likely what my generation is familiar with, it's predated by the original 1960s film, which was also a box office hit. In this film, Audrey 2 is not an alien from outer space heralded by a total eclipse of the sun, but a hybrid of a Venus flytrap and a butterwort. Tune in tomorrow for more weekend carnivorous plant facts. In the media, carnivorous plants are often depicted as man-eating. They feed off of blood and bits which can be taken from humans. I am here to ease your minds, however. There are no currently documented cases of any carnivorous plants large enough to eat a human being. In fact, the largest carnivorous plant, the giant pitcher plant, is only rarely found with small mammals in its trap. Even then, it's suspected that these represent outliers, that the animals were already suffering from a sickness or injury and fell into the plant's trap incidentally. The usual prey of giant pitcher plants involve large insects and ants. If you have any questions of your own about carnivorous plants, put it in the comments and I'll answer it in next week's Carnivorous Plant Facts. I'll see you Monday.